Okay, this question here, number 15, is all about area. The windshield wiper of a car rotates through an angle of measure 5 pi over 6 radians as shown. The shaded region of the diagram represents the area cleared by the 10-inch blade of the windshield wiper as it moves from one side to the other. Approximately what is the area cleared by the blade of the windshield wiper? Okay, so we need to find this gray shaded region. So basically what we need to do is figure out the area of the big circle first, and imagining that wiper went all the way around. We're only going to want to get, we're going to take half of that, and then we're going to only take 5/6 of that half to figure out what the entire shaded region is if it didn't have this missing side here, missing part here, the unshaded part in the middle. So again, we need to find this big area first. Well, the area of a circle is pi r squared. A circle is going to be 2 pi total. So we're going to start out with 0, pi, and then when it comes back to the 0, it's at 2 pi. Just keep that in the back of your mind. But let's look at the radius. The radius of the big circle is 10 plus 2, so that would be 12. 12 squared times pi is 144 pi. Okay, so that represents the whole circle. We're only going to be worrying about half of the circle because we're doing just upper half. So divide that by 2 and you get 72 pi for half of the circle. Now we only want to get 5/6 of 72, so 5/6 of 72 pi. 5 times 72. 5 times 72, 360. 360 divided by 6. We have 60 pi that we're working with. That represents the entire part there. Okay, so this is the big section, and we need to figure out the small section as well. So what if we did the same thing here, but instead of a 12, we had a 2. So that would be 2 squared, which would be 4 pi. We're going to divide that by 2 again to get 4 divided by 2 is 2 pi. And we want to get 5/6 of 2 pi, so 5 times 2 is 10. So that's 10 over 6 pi. You can just leave it like that. Excuse me, sorry, I didn't see that. 10 over 6 pi. So we need to take the large portion and subtract the small portion. Let's go ahead and turn this into a decimal real quick. 10 divided by 6 is 1 2/3. Alright, maybe we should leave it as a 10 over 6. Let's just do 60 minus 10 divided by 6 is 58.33 pi. Okay? That's not any of the answers here, so what do you think they did? They probably multiplied the answer that we got, 58.33, by pi, and got their final answer. So that is what we did when we subtracted 60 minus 10 over 6. Multiply that by pi, which is right above the caret symbol, and I get 183.25. The closest answer is B, and that is the correct answer.